gotta cap this guy off over here. If you're going with a full pipe kit, you won't have to worry about this. But since I'm reusing this intake, so I got this little rubber plug and I got a clamp. Push it as far as it can go. There we go. That's it, we're done. Alright, so I'm gonna play with this. I drilled out a hole right there where I'm gonna mount. I'm using one of the factory mounting spots. So I got these guys. I am a little concerned because this is smaller than what the line is we're using. So I am not too sure how we're gonna deal with this yet. I'm gonna be using Teflon tape, not because I'm worried about it sealing, just because I think it might help it from wanting to back out. Although it shouldn't back out once there's a hose attached. Anyway, we're gonna do Teflon tape just for the hell of it. So there's 3 holes on here. I don't know why they gave me 4 of these, all the same size. So this one's a little tricky because I don't have a hose to unclamp it on. So I gotta kind of keep it clamped on, push it in. I guess it wasn't that tricky. I'm using these. I bought this for something else, but I bought the wrong size, but it's the perfect size for what we need. So there's the catch can, screwed right into there. Alright, so I'm just unbolting strut bar in both ends already. I already did that end, now I'm doing this end. There we go. I'm going to put these bolts back over here just so I don't lose them. Then I'm going to start unbolting whatever else we need to unbolt, but let's get the back ones. Seems like those would be the hardest. I know I got the back bolt still, but we're going to remove this. Once I get the last bracket off, I can then go ahead and I'll get the last bolt on that side. I think it's the last bolt. We'll find out. Oh man. Oh. So I'm going to unplug the throttle body cables because I can already see when I take this thing off, it's going to be in the way. Hey. Okay, so that's free. Now I get the last bolt, but while I got this here, I'm going to take these off. It'd be a miracle if I don't end up with a vacuum recorder gun. No, we're free! Yay!
Yay! Good job!
Good job.
You did. Why you got
Why is it